Hi everyone, my name is Jem. Welcome to Bright and Young Beauty channel. I'm here to share with you the journey to a joyful life as an independent lady. Let's go. Before we begin this video, let me put a disclaimer. I am not a health professional or a doctor. Every suggestion in this video is solely based on my own experience. It is crucial to understand the extent of your anxiety to determine whether you can manage it on your own or if you need to seek professional help. So, stay bright, stay young, and be thoughtful. Let's go! Our topic for today is anxiety. What is anxiety? According to American Psychological Association (APA), anxiety is an emotion characterized by feelings of tension, worried thoughts, and physical changes like increased blood pressure. People with anxiety disorders usually have recurring intrusive thoughts or concerns. They may avoid certain situations out of worry. Here, a few signs of anxiety. Feeling nervous and tense, increasing heart rate, breathing rapidly or known as hyperventilation, sweating or trembling, feel weak or tired, having a sense of impending danger or panic, lost focus due to uncontrollable worry. Some may experience gastrointestinal problem. There are few types of anxiety. Number 1. Agoraphobia. A person with agoraphobia will frequently avoid places or situations that may cause panic as they will feel trapped, helpless, or embarrassed. Number 2. Generalized anxiety disorder. Worrying constantly about occurrence or event even if they are ordinary or routine. A condition that is hard to control and can affect the physical well-being of a person and lead to depression. Number 3. Panic disorder, a sudden feeling of terror or fear peaks with minutes. Known as a panic attack, it causes heart palpitations, shortness of breath, and chest pain. A panic attack is when someone is constantly worried about recurrence of an episode or tries to avoid the occurrence of an event. Number 4. Social anxiety and specific phobia, also often called phobias. A person has a high level of anxiousness in a social environment due to overthinking and embarrassment. They feel afraid of being judged negatively by those around them. On the other hand, specific phobia is severe anxiety caused by exposure to a particular object or situation that the person wishes to avoid. Number 5. Substance-induced anxiety. This is anxiety caused by taking excessively medication, misusing drugs, or being exposed to toxic substances. It also happens when a person withdraws from drugs. There are some other types of anxiety disorders, unspecific anxiety or phobia, which has no specific symptoms but causes acute panic. Selective mutism in children who have been unable to speak in certain situations. Children may also suffer anxiety disorder from separation of parents due to divorce. This type of anxiety disorder can interfere with the academic and social development of the child. Now let's see what causes anxiety. There is no specific data or justification is available for thoroughly understanding the causes of anxiety. Traumatic life experiences, medical conditions, or inheritance could all be factors. All of these factors can cause panic, which can lead to risk factors including trauma. A person who has had a traumatic life experience such as being abused as a child or witnessing numerous tragic events is more likely to develop anxiety that may lead to a disorder. Stress due to medical background. A person who has a severe health conditions or serious illness may cause significant worry about future and treatment issues. Blood relatives. Anxiety disorders can run in families if any family members have been diagnosed with them. Other possible causes are a stressful event in life, personality, a mental health disorder, and the misuse of drugs and alcohol. If the level of your anxiety has caused difficulties in your daily routine, please seek treatment. Ignoring the symptoms may deteriorate your health mentally and physically. Anyway, prevention is always better than cure. Here are some quick tips to help you overcome anxiety, no matter when or where it strikes. Let me be honest with you, I do have the same problem as well, which is related to agoraphobia and social anxiety. This is what I always do when I start to feel panic in the public. Usually, I run to a cafe for a coffee break where I can find a place to sit and chill or enter my car. You can go to the restroom if both options are far or not available to you. Firstly, take a deep breath. Hold for 3 seconds and release as slowly as possible through your nose or mouth. Repeat this a few times while you try to clear your mind. It may take 7 to 10 times. If you need more, keep doing it while you settle your mind and your heart rate begin to slow down. Once your heartbeat is back to normal, drink a big amount of water. So I had my small water bottle with me all the time. Keep concentrating on your normal breathing. When you feel alright, you can try to identify what causes your sudden panic attack. After that, you can think slowly on what is the solution to your worry earlier. If you are still having trouble and you can't seem to stop worrying, go to a doctor as soon as possible. So there you have it, some general information about anxiety. Although anxiety is related to mental health, I believe it varies depending on the severity. Of course, it may affect your mental health if you continue to ignore it. So talk to your close friend or family members if you start to experience anxiety. They may be able to help you to overcome it in your daily life. If it becomes more serious, you will need professional help to feel much better and live a happier life. Now you're done watching this video, as usual, I have a question for you. Have you ever experienced anxiety? If you do, which type of anxiety that you had experienced based on the description earlier? If you have any friends or family members who you think need these guides and tips, feel free to share this video with them. Hopefully, it can help them to understand the condition and know when to get professional help. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up and write your comment below. See you again in my next video with more exciting content. Bye and have a nice day!